Hello. Yeah, can
Good
you hear
evening,
me,
ma'am.
guys?
Yes,
Good
ma'am.
evening, ma'am.
Okay.
Hello.
Prasad, please forward it on a common group. As I'm not on a common group, I have forwarded it on a finance group. So, guys, it's hardly of 1 minute. So, you have 2 minutes in your hand. So, please watch it. And again, we will continue with the pigs analysis after completion, after watching this video, and it will be very interesting. Thank you, Prasad sir, for sharing. So I will again start by 7:30. So guys, are you done with the watching the fantastic clip? Actually, it's not a documentary. If you are really interested in the documentary, I will share the links, and definitely you will understand more about the currency crisis, and how countries are reacting to the currency crisis. So, if you are having the export import business, you should be aware of such countries which are facing already the currency crisis, or which are on the verge of such crisis. So if you are interested, please ping me. Definitely, I will share the links, and these are really, really worth. So, are you done? Somebody has left.
Yes,
Anyways,
ma'am.
yeah, are
Continue.
you done? So, can you share few? Can you share in few lines? What is your observation?
If people want to buy something, they should have a bunch of money of their currency in a bag.
Exactly. And even you may have observed that जैसे हम कैडबरी परचेस करते हैं या इक्लेयर परचेस करते हैं, when people start losing the confidence in the currency, they start selling the currency, they start selling the cash itself. मतलब whichever the country is facing the currency crisis, आपको शायद करेंसी की दुकान मिल जाएगी. एंड द स्ट्रॉन्ग करेंसी, आपने कभी इंडिया में ऐसी दुकान देखी है? करेंसी की दुकान देखी है कभी? Why? Because when we are living in the regulated country जहाँ पे law and order है, वहाँ पे करेंसी भी मॉनिटर की जाती है, रेगुलेट की जाती है with और by the institutions like central bank, जो इंडिया में जिसको हम कहते हैं RBI. बट जैसे 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 अगर कोई इकोनॉमिक्स में जा रही है ड्यू टू रॉन्ग इकोनॉमिकल पॉलिसीज, if the people are not believing its own currency, definitely you will see such a devastating situations. And ये जो situations रहती है ये self made रहती है. जो मैंने 4 points आपको बताए, wrong economic policy implementation, जिसकी वजह से प्रोडक्ट और सप्लाई और डिमांड में बहुत ज्यादा फर्क आ जाता है. थर्ड, लो प्रोडक्टिविटी, देन करप्शन, एंड लास्ट वन इज अ ब्लैक marketing. And one should avoid all these 4 scenarios if you really want to become a very strong currency. एक बार मैं एक वीडियो देख रही थी, तब एक स्कूल के बच्चे ने उनको पूछा था कि रघुराम राजन को एक सवाल पूछा था, द एक्स गवर्नर, कि मैं बचपन से देखता हूँ कि जो रुपीज है वो हमेशा मुझे ज्यादा देने पड़ते हैं इफ आई वांट टू परचेस $1. सो इफ आई वांट टू परचेस $1 मुझे 60 रुपीज देने पड़ते हैं. ये सिचुएशन कभी उल्टी हो सकती है. उल्टी मतलब somebody will give $60 to purchase 1 rupee. और ये सिचुएशन रिवर्स होने के लिए आप जरा सोचिए इकोनॉमी का स्ट्रॉन्ग होना कितना जरूरी है. And Raghuram Rajan has confidently said that maybe by the end of the 2050 the other countries will purchase 1 rupee for maybe $50, maybe for 80 pounds, maybe for whatever you say, 13,000 yen, etc. So let's hope for that. And now let's switch to the pigs analysis.
Ma'am, just
Yes,
a
ma'am. Sorry
question.
to interrupt. Yes.
Yeah, please go on. You are encouraged to interrupt me. No problem
No,
at all.
actually, no, ma'am. Actually, just you just put an idea that 2050 our rupees will
Yes.
increase. Actually,
Yes.
if you aware about that situation, means in the past, means before independence, our 1 rupee was $38.
Right. Right.
Correct, ma'am?
Before
If I'm
independence,
not
1
wrong.
rupee was equivalent to $38 because before
$38.
independence,
Yes.
India,
To buy a 1 rupee, you have to spend $38. Yeah, actually.
yeah, and the reason was at that time India was an exporting country.
Yes, exporting country. That's what.
It
Yes.
was an exporting country, and actually, the whole benefit was taken by the Britain only. So whatever the
Yes.
profit they were earning, that was directly transferred to the Britain. And उल्टा उन्होंने हम पर बहुत पाउंड में इंडिया को लोन दिया. So actually they were extracting the money from India from the both side. Liability भी इंडिया पर डाल दी और जो इंडिया का इनकम साइड था वो सीधा साधा किटी जा रहा था क्वींस के हाथों में. So yes, I totally agree कि before independence the dollar rate was fantastic, but at a
Yes.
time of independence the Indian rupee was devaluated to such a deteriorated level. The reason is कि जब we got the freedom, we were out of the foreign exchange reserves, we were out of any money, and simultaneously we were fighting very vast war. Simultaneously we were counseling the kings and queens of क्या बोलते हैं उसको the kingdoms to merge into India. And we were facing the political worse situations, we were facing the financial crisis, and to build reserves purposefully at that time we have devaluated money. And for your information, Indian rupee was devaluated for 3 times. One, at the time of independence. Second, during the period of Indira Gandhi ma'am. The third, 1991, to make to make the trading more interesting to attract the investors. That is the main reason, to attract the investors, so Indian government can have the foreign exchange. And you may ask कि मैम हमेशा कोई कंट्री की करेंसी डोमिनेटिंग क्यों रहती है. आई विल टेल यू वन फैंटास्टिक आंसर कि अगर आपको ऐसा लगता है कि पाउंड्स ही हमेशा क्यों डोमिनेटिंग है, यूएस डॉलर ही हमेशा क्यों डोमिनेटिंग है. एक तरफ तो मैडम हमेशा कहते हैं कि यूएस में भी जो डेट है वो 3 times ऑफ देयर जीडीपी है, फिर भी वाई यूएस डॉलर इज डोमिनेटिंग. Britain is also facing a good amount of deficit. Still, why pounds is uh, very much dominating? Such reasons are not in the books of finance or economics. Such reasons are in the books of politics. So basically, these countries are very much politically strong, and due to which due to which their currencies are dominating. So I guess we are having only 2 minutes. So what can we do? Can we continue the pigs analysis? By the way, what do you mean by pigs? Am I talking about the pig? Am I talking about the animal? What do you think?
Ma'am, you said that you will be analysis about some countries.
Exactly. So pigs is are the countries from the Europe zone. I know when we talk about the Europe, हमें वो DDLZ का ही पूरा मौसम समय याद आता है and the songs. But let me tell you guys, these countries from the Eurozone are suffering from the very much heavy burden of debt. So P stands for Portugal, I stands for Italy, second I stands for Ireland, G stands for Greece, and S stands for Spain. So best countries to visit. ऐसे ही हम मानते हैं ना, if you want to uh, have a trip in the Europe zone, you will definitely go to Italy, you will definitely visit Greece, Spain, and all. But financially, these countries are suffering from the currency crisis for last